Bathrooms and kitchens are two of the most important rooms in any house, but oftentimes, especially in older homes, they don't function for the homeowner's needs.
A kitchen is one of the main centers of your house. If you have a great kitchen, you use it all the time. You use it not only for meals, but you use it for entertaining.
You know, if your family comes over, you gather in the kitchen. And sometimes it's too small, or sometimes the layout just doesn't work. And that's where we come in. We might open up that wall and just give it more space. Now you can have people over, you can sit around an island, eat some food, and relax and watch a game.
We design kitchens so that they flow better. They have modern appliances, modern lighting, cabinetry can store more. Really, you're looking to have better use out of your space. We advise our clients based on their budget, based on what they're trying to achieve, and what they really want the kitchens to look like.
We come in and we maximize the space. Bathrooms are one of the most used places in the house.
We really build them so that they're not only beautiful, but they're durable, functional, and you can just put so many different features into a bathroom now that makes them so much better than before. Some bathrooms are so old that they really don't function well. Maybe that tub should be converted to a walk-in shower. Maybe that large bathroom could have two vanities so that two different people could get ready in there at the same time. Renovating your kitchen or your bathroom is a great way to make your house much more usable for you and your family.